What up everyone, welcome back to iTrustStream. Today's video is a sponsored video by Buzz TV. If you would like to get 10% off your purchase of the new Buzz Vidstick, you guys can go down to the links inside the description and use the promo code iTrustStream for 10% off your purchase. So if you guys are planning on wanting to buy this, you guys already know that Buzz TV has been a fantastic sponsor here on iTrustStream. If you guys want to save a couple bucks, make sure to use my link and use my promo code iTrustStream for your guys' 10% off one of these boxes. Today's video is a sponsored video, so in today's video, I'm going to be giving away one free box. And then tomorrow, guys, don't miss out on tomorrow's video because tomorrow's video will be a live video. So make sure to turn on your post notification, make sure to subscribe. To enter in today's giveaway, you have to comment and let me know that you click like and why you would like to get this box. I'm going to be going live tomorrow at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I know it's late for you guys in the East Coast, but it's going to be 8 p.m. I'm going to give away a live one, and also, rumor has it, I'm going to be giving away some IPTV. So don't miss out on that video. Hit that like button today. Let's go ahead and get started. I did want to honor yesterday's blackout, so this is why I didn't post as of yesterday. So yesterday, I pretty much tried to stay off social media as much as possible, and today I postponed for today's video for today just to honor the social media blackout. So hope you guys are excited. Get your first look right there. And what's really cool right there, if you guys are new to this, I'm telling you, you guys gotta hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on future giveaways. So here is the official Buzz stick. Look at that. It's got the little Buzz logo on the back. There's the stick. And what I wanted to show you is right there. It has the remote control, power supply, and the extender for the IR existing cables. So this does have an IR extension to be used. And there she is. I'm going to take this whole thing out because this is going to go to one of you guys. So you see that right there? It's got the nice little Buzz logo. It's got the TF insert. It's SD card, so you can put in external memory. And if that is enough, you guys can get yourself your own. You guys can get your a video flash player. You guys can get yourself a little flash drive and plug that in just like that. It's gonna sit like that, so you have all your external memory. If you guys don't know what the specifications are, I'm gonna show you guys right here. This is running on Android 9. It is a 4K device. It is running 2.0 DDR4 memory. That is great. Seeing a device with DDR4 with 2 gigs of actual memory, that is fast. I'm telling you, it is exactly 0.5. It is a half a gig quicker than the actual Fire Stick 4K. It's run on the M-Logic S905Y2. What does that mean? It means 60 hertz. It means quicker refresh rate. It means it's going to produce a better quality video. In my suggestion, rather than the Fire Stick, which can only put out barely 30. Dual band. It is also AC, dual band Wi-Fi, USB 3.0. If you're not wanting to put an SD card in here and just using it exactly how it is is running at 16 gigabytes of actual memory. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. I need the remote. So while that is loading, so you're going to have your power supply, you're going to have your, your extended IR, and then also your remote control. So that is something that we're going to have to plug in real quick. So let's go ahead and open up the packaging. And then this is the remote control, which, if I remember right, they always put batteries in here. Yep, they come with brand new max energized batteries. And then we want to use 4K, 2K at 25 hertz, 30 hertz, 1080p at 60 hertz. Let's go ahead and do 4K at 30. Going to do a quick check for updates. Installing Chrome. And this is the first layout. So you got your basic layout. You have your live television, your video on demand, your PVR, EPG. Over here to Buzz Utilities, is that it has a automatic update feature to where you just click it, completely updates. Let's go over. So if you do have a premium IPTV service, you guys can go over here to your server settings. And then if you guys have outer limits, this is what you're going to do with yours. If you have an M3U list, you can do it that way. You could do a server line, which is going to be your mag line. You would have to type in and add the mag device. But if you do have outer limits, you just click on streaming line, add streaming line plus, and then go ahead and we're gonna name it real quick. Okay, then you're gonna go next. It's gonna be http://. All right, we're gonna go ahead and click connect. It is connecting. It's gonna be adding the list. So right here on the left hand side, you got your live television. And then you got, if you click over to the left, you can go to like your entertainment. We're gonna go ahead and mute that. What I like about this is that when you do get a box from like from Buzz TV, you do get their Buzz TV 4 application, and this is what you're getting. If you guys are looking for IPTV, you guys can go over to the pay-per-view day of event only. As you can see right here, that the thumbnails are already ready to go for this weekend's event. So you just go over there, go to UFC, box, WWE. You'll find all that stuff. But what I would like to show for you guys also is that it does have the video on demand. There we go. If your service does have a video on demand, like this service does, you just go over here, you just wait for the thumbnails to, all the new movies are coming out on here, and then you just go over here and select the movie that you're wanting to watch. So if you're wanting to go watch Scooby-Doo, you look at Scooby-Doo, you just press play, and they watched what's in theaters. And then the same thing for your TV series. It has easy buttons right here to where you can click on video on demand, TV series. You can PVR, we can record it. Again, if you get yourself a little USB stick for more room, plug in your USB stick on the back of it, and you'll be able to record whatever you guys want. And look how beautiful this guide layout looks like, guys. If you want to win one of these in today's video, make sure to follow me on all social medias. I have a list of social medias. Just follow me the account, tag me and stuff, get my attention on my social media, and also comment and like this video. Make sure to subscribe. It really does help me out on this channel. If you guys want to participate, and if you guys don't win one from today's video, I'm going to be going live at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time tomorrow, and I'm going to give away another one of these live to a lucky viewer. Just a friendly reminder to, if you don't win one of these, it's okay. You guys can still use my promo code iTrustStream during checkout to save 10% on your purchase. Don't miss out on these, guys. It does take time to build these, do the packaging, ship them out. So make sure to not miss out on these, because you never know when they're going to be able to be restocked. They did say there is a limited supply, so this could be a test run to see if it's super popular, and they probably make a bigger batch later. But don't miss out. If you guys liked what you saw in today's video, make sure to go down to the links inside of the description. If you liked the IPTV service that you did see, if you want some further information about that, you guys can go to the second link, Outer Limits, IPTV.com. You guys be able to watch the UFC fight as of this Saturday. UFC 250 will be live on that service. So again, this is iTrustStream, and until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Late.